Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to install the Crew add-on on Kodi step by step. Whether you're using FireStick, Android TV, Windows PC, Mac, or any other Kodi-compatible device, this guide will help you get everything set up quickly. Let's get started. Step 1. Enable unknown sources. First, open Kodi. From the home screen, click the settings icon. Next, select System. Scroll down and choose Add-ons. Enable unknown sources if it isn't already turned on. When Kodi displays a warning message, click Yes to continue. This allows Kodi to install add-ons from external repositories. Step 2. Add the repository source. Return to the Settings menu. Select File Manager. Click Add Source. In the Path field, enter the repository URL provided by the add-on developer. Click OK. Now enter a name for the source, such as the Crew repo. Click OK again. The source has now been added to Kodi. Step 3. Install the repository. Go back to the Kodi home screen. Select Add-ons. Click the package installer icon located in the top left corner. Choose Install from zip file. If prompted, select Yes. Open the source you added earlier. Select the repository zip file and wait for the installation notification. After a few seconds, Kodi should display a message confirming that the repository has been installed successfully. Step 4. Install the Crew add-on. From the Package Installer menu, select Install from Repository. Open the repository you just installed. Navigate to the Video add-ons section. Find and select the Crew. Click Install. Kodi may display a list of additional dependencies required for the add-on. Select OK to install them. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once finished, you'll receive an add-on installed notification. Conclusion. And that's how to install the Crew Kodi Addon V3 in 2026. If this video helped you, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future Kodi tutorials, FireStick guides, and streaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.